Hi, this is Jay with Stickets, and here's a quick little video. Did a little shopping the other day for the Harry Potter hat at Michaels and came across these cute little embroidered stickers. So I bought a pack of these. They run about $3. I got them on sale. You can always find coupons and stuff from Michaels. They had some other ones, which I'll show you a picture right now. And with this one. And we could just add basically Velcro to it, and boom, you can add it right to your Stickets cap. As I will do, I'm going to add it to my hat, wear it for the rest of this year, and wear it for next year. So let's get to it. Okay, let's take a look at this. So again, this is the one I purchased at Michaels, and again, it says right there $3. It's $5 in Canada, but there's always deals on these. So let's go ahead and pop this open. I haven't actually opened this up yet, so we'll take a look and see what these look like. So they're nice. So these are really cool, and they have a little stick to it. So it looks like they have like a sticker kind of thing going, which is cool. Now I think we're just gonna have to take it off. So what I'm gonna do, I'm using this industrial Velcro, actual Velcro material, super sticky and strong, works really good on the Stickets caps. I want to cut a little square out is what I want to do on this. So I think I'm going to do it like that. Just put it sticky on sticky. It's going to stick really good. It's got this other little stick on there, but we'll see. Let's take a look at this guy. Really cute. Their stick is just, it doesn't look like it would stick very good on anything. Honestly, I hate to say it. So, let's see. Let's turn this one to that. We'll put that one there. This one will go here. This dude. Okay, cute. See what those look like. Very cute. This guy smells like. I don't know that this would stick on somebody's like garment very well. I don't think so. But it sticks really good with Velcro. And then the last guy, snowman. Let's see what this guy. Get rid of this stuff. Let's go Velcro. Put a triangle on this. Just go like that. Okay. Okay. Let's see what it looks like on a hat. Okay, here's my personal Stickets cap that I wear every day. And let's see how we can enhance this for the winter. Kind of Christmassy time winter. I'm up to snow good over here. Put a cute little snowman over here. And again, it sticks pretty good. See, I can always kind of redo it. And then let's put some stuff in the back, shall we? Let's put this snowflake over here. And this cute little penguin over there. Snowflake, and look at the front of that puppy. Looks cool. All right, I think that was a success. There you have it, the embroidered stickers from Michaels with added Velcro. which makes it perfect to attach to a Stickets cap.